Today we are going to download Affinity, and all that you need is a browser and an internet connection. So let's start. So you need a browser, either Google Chrome, Brave, or Microsoft Edge. Any browser that you use, you need it to download Affinity. So what we have to do is search for Affinity Studio. Affinity Studio. Okay, so now you have this. Then we'll go to download Affinity. So if you are using a Mac OS, you can just click on download for Mac OS. If you want you are using a Windows version, you download for Windows. Okay, so I'm using a Windows, so I'll download for Windows. So let me click on this. Now this is what I have. So depending on your PC, I'm using X64, so I'll click on this and download it. So you can see Affinity, and it's 614 megabytes. So I just click on download. Yours may not be the same. Maybe you don't have this free download manager, so yours will not be the same. It may download straight. Okay, so let's wait for it. So now it is done. We have to open the File Explorer, the Downloads folder, so that we can install it. So I'll use the shortcut key Windows+E to open the File Explorer. Then we'll go to Downloads. Now we have the setup here. So all that we have to do is to open it. Now we have this. Install to the following location. Leave the location this as it is. Make sure that this one is ticked if you want a shortcut for the app on the desktop. So I'll just leave everything as it is and click on install. Now I choose yes. So now just wait for it to start installing. So now it's done with the setup, the installation. So I'll just close this. Now I have to open the app. So now the app is showing here, so just click on it to open it. That's it. Affinity by Counter. Let's wait for it to open. This just looks like Photoshop. Just continue. Okay, so now it's open. Wait for a while. Okay. So when it opens, you will be told to sign up or to log in. You have to log in using your Canvas account, so you can do that. Then just follow the process. Then that's it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. We have a lot of tech videos that will be uploading, so you don't need to miss out on this. So subscribe, like this video also. Okay, so we have two other channels, Potsherd Workshop and Potsherd Design. We'll leave those links in the description as well, so you can also subscribe to them if you're interested in designing. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.